Well, I'm at the Burger King, and that is a different, but today is Monday, the 28th, and there's nobody here. It doesn't look like anybody's been here except to take the old one out and put the new forklift. Let's just call it a forklift. Now looking at the saw cut, that plastic is in my way right there, but I can zoom in. It doesn't look like anybody's touched anything over there. This car just pulled up really quick. He's slipping on a jacket or something. What's up? Yeah, he's on the job. I would think there ain't nobody here. All right. So they got something planned. Well, I don't think I've ever seen the meter box, so that's new. Like I was saying when I was standing over there, that is one of the guys that must have the contract, maybe the prime contractor, maybe a subcontractor. Don't know, because he don't want to talk, and I don't want to interfere with any of them doing anything. But that looks new.